Assalamualaikum warahmatullahiwabarokatuh. Dear respected parents, in this video we will share with you how you may check your already booked appointments with our teachers. This is the appointment website. In order to check your appointment, you need to scroll down till you find the word search your appointment. Click on it. The My Appointment page will appear. It will also appear Year 1 appointment, Year 2 appointment, inclusive till Form 1. In this case, I will click on Year 5 appointment. This Excel sheet will appear, inclusive of the name of the student. In order to change the name of the student, click the name bracket at the top of the page. A drop-down will appear and change to the name to your child's name. These are the links of the appointment with their teachers. Thank you.